As a physical therapist, I see a lot of patients with foot and ankle pain, and oftentimes it's related to their flat feet. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple exercises that you can do to fix your flat feet and take you from this to this. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on? Keith Nunez here, Dr. Physical Therapy, and the reason you want to do something about your flat feet is, aside from making it look nice and pretty, is because down the road it can lead to some foot and ankle pain. But don't worry, you can actually get rid of flat feet and prevent those problems from showing up by using your muscles to raise your arches. So here's that first exercise. We're simply going to raise your arches. So for this one, you want to be standing. Then you want to maintain pressure across the ball of your feet, especially that base of the big toe. Then you're going to tilt that heel inward and you'll notice that your arch raises. Now make sure that the base of your big toe doesn't leave the ground and make sure it's an even pressure across the ball of your feet. And then you're just going to stand there and hold that position for 30 seconds, maybe up to a minute. And you're going to do it 3 times. So if you master this exercise and it gets pretty easy, then you can move on to the next exercise. Now we're going to add some resistance to make it harder. So for this, you'll need a resistance band loop. I'm using this one by Wad Fitters. If you need some resistance band loops, you can use the link in my description below. So essentially, it's the same exercise, just with some added resistance trying to pull you into that flattened pronated position, but you're going to use your muscles to resist that. So you're going to start off with some tension in the band by separating your feet a little bit farther, and then you're going to do the same exercise. Try to raise that arch by tilting your heels inward and keep that base of the big toes down. And then same thing, you could do another maybe 3 sets of 30 seconds to start off with. Alright, so next I'm going to show you the last and probably hardest exercise. But first, if you found this video helpful so far, be sure to give it a like and let me know in the comments, because it's honestly good to know that these videos are actually helping. Alright, so last exercise. We're going to challenge your balance. So depending on how good your balance is, you could either choose to be in a tandem stance, which is positioning your feet like you're walking a tightrope, or maybe you're getting tested by the cops, or you can stand on one leg. And of course, if you feel safer with having something to hold on to, like a chair or a countertop, in case you lose your balance, that's totally okay. Just try to only use it if you feel like you're about to lose your balance. Now, not only will you try to maintain your balance while you're standing there, but you're also going to try to keep your arch raised at the same time. You'll notice that this makes it a lot harder. So try this for 3 sets of 30 seconds on each foot. And you should feel your feet and your ankle muscles start to burn from all this. Now, if you did end up with some foot and ankle pain because of your flat feet, you'll want to check out some of these videos I made, one on plantar fasciitis and another one on treating bunions. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.